was a book you could read my mind. Page on page, I'm just wasting time, sitting on ice while the clock is watching, losing face, dreaming of a better space in time. I'm about to use my feelings. I'm about to use my feelings. Staring in the face of boredom, waiting is the price of freedom.